Big news surrounding Apple's new iPhones always tend to leak right around the time one of Apple's rivals is set to make an announcement. After all, Samsung is getting ready for its massive unpacked press conference in New York City on Wednesday, during which the company will finally make its new Galaxy Note 10 and Galaxy Note 10 Plus flagship phones official. Here we are, just over 24 hours from the event, and one of the biggest iPhone 11 leaks of the year is sweeping the internet, distracting attention from the Samsung's new flagship tablets, which are expected to feature a hot new all-screen design with a centrally located hole-punch camera and plenty of power thanks to the next-gen processors. Well, to those conspiracy theorists, we say this: information surrounding Apple's unreleased iPhone 11 series is always leaking. This year, like every other year for the past decade, information surrounding Apple's upcoming new iPhone lineup continues to trickle out starting about a year in advance and running right up until the new phones are announced. Seriously, think back to the past few months, we have seen new iPhone 11 details leak multiple times every single week. This is a big one though, and it comes from a source that's beyond solid. That's right, Apple fans, we finally know exactly when Apple's iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Max, and iPhone 11R will be released. Before we get to the news, let's quickly recap what's in store for us in 2019. The renders are based on information that has been leaking for months that details Apple's design for the next generation iPhone 11 lineup. As you can see, the big change will be the rear camera on Apple's new iPhones. The iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Max will feature a new triple lens camera system like the one seen, and the area surrounding the lenses is expected to be color matched to the back of the phone for the first time. In the past, Apple has made this area black on all iPhone models regardless of color. The iPhone 11R, if that's what Apple ends up calling it, will have a similar rear camera design, but it will be a dual lens setup instead of a triple lens camera like the one on the pricier models. All the three new iPhones, the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Max, and the iPhone 11R, will look identical to their predecessors from the front, including the note at the top of each screen. So, in a nutshell, 2019 is shaping up to be just like 2016 for Apple's iPhone lineup. The iPhone 11 is a new member update just like the iPhone 7 was back in 2016, but the new phones themselves use almost the same exact design as Apple's iPhone models from the previous 2 years. There will be plenty more power and new rear cameras. The iPhone 7 Plus had a new rear camera as well, but not much else will change.